Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your iPhone's battery health on iOS 26. This is really useful if you want to see how your battery is performing and whether it might be time for a replacement. So first of all, open the settings app on your phone, then tap on battery. This section gives you a quick overview of your battery usage and activity. After that, scroll all the way down, then tap on battery health and charging. Here, you will see your maximum battery capacity. This tells you how much charge your battery can hold compared to when it was new. Below that, you will see peak performance capability, which shows whether your iPhone is capable of performing at normal speed or if performance management has been applied. If your battery capacity is significantly lower than 100% like mine, you can consider replacing your battery at an Apple store or authorized service provider. And that's all. That's how you can check the battery health of your iPhone on iOS 26. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.